In this video, I will show you how to set up Microsoft UET tracking in your Shopify store step by step. We will cover everything from installation to event tracking. First, open your Shopify store dashboard. At the top, you will see a banner. Click on it. This will take you to the Apps section. Now find Infinite UET Bing Conversion Tracking and turn it on. Once enabled, the extension will be activated. Now open your Microsoft advertising account. Click on Tools, then go to Conversion Tracking and open UET tags. Here you will see your tags. You can use an existing tag or create a new one. Now copy your UET tag ID, go back to your Shopify app and paste the ID in the given field and save. Now scroll down. You will see a code section. Copy this code. Click on Customer Event. This will take you to the customer events in your Shopify store. Now click on View More, then Custom Pixel. Add Custom Pixel. Enter any name for your pixel. Then delete the existing code and paste the code you copied earlier. Now click on Save. After saving, click on Connect to activate the pixel. Now go back to the app again. Now open your Shopify store front end. We will check if tracking is working. Now go to your Chrome browser. Open the Microsoft UET Tag Helper extension. Click on the extension icon. Now refresh your store page. You will start seeing events like page views and other actions. This confirms that your tracking is working properly. Now go back to your Microsoft advertising account. Your tag may still show as unverified. Don't worry. This is normal. It can take up to 24 hours for the tag to get verified. After that, your tag will become active. Once verified, you will be able to see all events directly inside your Microsoft Ads account. Until then, you can monitor events using the Chrome extension. And that's it. Your Microsoft UET tracking setup is now complete.